Does whole life insurance replace investments? The answer is absolutely not. Anyone who's saying that should have their license revoked immediately, and they should not allowed to be able to film videos and post online, because that's asinine. No one in their right mind would put all of their money into insurance. It's not an investment vehicle, it's insurance. If anything, insurance, when used properly, specifically whole life insurance, it can help enhance your investments, which is what we talk about on the channel all the time, but it is not a replacement for investments. It's not an investment, it's insurance. And there's tons of differences between the definition. If you actually look at the definition of an investment versus insurance, you can't lose money with insurance if you do it right. With investments, you can lose money. And you're not, with whole life insurance, we're not competing on rate of return. So when you compare the rate of return of a whole life insurance policy to the stock market, or pick whatever investment you want, crypto, they're not even, you can't compare them. One's not an investment, so why are we comparing an apple with an orange? So if anyone's saying just like, oh, stock market sucks, or whatever investment is not good, it's too risky, you should put it all in the whole life insurance, they're obviously trying to just sell whole life insurance. I sell whole life insurance. That's what the whole channel, all my videos are around whole life insurance for the most part. Like, that's a big part of my my business, is helping people implement high cash value whole life insurance to help enhance their investing. And that's a very niche and selective individual who will benefit from that. I think everyone can benefit from that, but not everyone's in a position to do the strategy properly. So anyone, again, if you hear anyone screaming from the mountaintops that they're downplaying investments to basically put whole life insurance or even indexed universal life up on a pedestal, just run away from it, because they're just trying to sell you a product. So just logic, right? Like, if that's the case, why would the wealthiest people in the world invest money? Why wouldn't they put it all in the whole life insurance or whatever insurance it is? It doesn't make any sense. So again, we have tons of videos on the channel talking about this, but whole life insurance, specifically high cash value, whole life insurance with a top mutual carrier, can be a great tool for a select individual to help them enhance their investing. If you're a real estate investor, you're a business owner, you're a high income professional, and you're already going to the bank consistently to get loans, you're constantly moving money around, this could be a potential solution for you. I have other videos breaking down the aspects to utilizing whole life insurance like your own bank, and it's just marketing. What I want to lastly touch on is, if we're going to compare whole life insurance with anything, take investments off the table. It should be compared with other savings vehicles, because it has more attributes that are comparable to money market accounts, CDs, high yield savings accounts, regular checking and savings accounts. That's the arena that whole life insurance plays in, not investments. Now, when you look at it from that lens, whole life insurance will beat out all of those other vehicles over time if done correctly. But again, those aren't investments, they're savings vehicles. So if we're going to compare it to any other financial tool, instrument, it needs to be other savings vehicles. So just keep that in mind. But I hope this cleared up some things. Again, if anyone's trying to convince you to put all of your money into life insurance and to not do anything with investing, I mean, that is just completely wrong. Stay away from it. But I hope this brought some clarity. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below, or you can shoot me a DM over on Instagram. My handle is @chris.zerafa. And then top of the description, you'll see my calendar link. Just click on that if you want to book in a call to look at your own numbers to see if implementing a high cash value whole life insurance policy makes sense. And then lastly, somewhere in the bottom corner, you're going to see a recommended video. Make sure to click on that, and I'll see you over in the next video.